guys, my name is Nicole P. Miranda. For today's vlog, I'm going to share and show to you the historical landmarks here at City of San Fernando, Pampanga. As you can see, I'm here at San Fernando train station. The Kapampangan are so blessed to have one of the train station preserved and the original structure turned to a museum showcasing the historical highlights, story behind the iron tracks, and relevant history. Displays include remnants from the war, photos of the station, and statues of pertinent people in the recent Philippine history. Before I'm going to share the history of San Fernando train station, I will show you first what we will see today inside the train station, which is turned into a museum. Tara, samahan niyo ko at tignan at saksihan natin ang nasa loob ng train station. Yon ang nasa loob ng train station ngayon. So now, I'm going to share the history of San Fernando train station. The San Fernando train station is indeed not only a place where many of our brave Filipinos heroes from different eras have passed through on to their next destination, but also a place where they have left an indelible mark because of their heroic sacrifices, something which the present generation will never forget. Standing amid residences in Barangay Santo Niño, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, are the ruins of what was once a busy and historic train station of the Manila to Dagupan Railway. It was designed by Thomas Fernandez Arguelles, who received academic training in architecture at Escuela de Artes y Oficios, his School of Arts and Trade, and one of the founding members of the Philippine Architects Society, the precursor to the Philippine Institute of Architects. Unknown to many, the San Fernando train station was a silent witness to every turning point of the town's history. From its inauguration in 1892 up to the infamous Bataan Death March, it most definitely played an essential role in making the town boom into a great city, one that is rooted in its rich heritage and culture. However, many says that the train station has outlived its purpose. Some who pass by this structure do not even notice and realize the deep history which make up every brick of this neglected station. Responding to this predicament, the city government of San Fernando is making efforts to preserve his heritage structure and acknowledge its historical significance. The San Fernando train station was opened on February 23, 1892, as part of the Bagbag to Mabalacat stretch of system and was inaugurated by Governor General Eulogio Despujol and Archbishop Bernardino Nazaleda. This railroad ranked second to Manila in revenues that year. and thus was the most important station of the Manila to Dagupan Railroad. The event signaled the beginning of the exponential growth of the town brought about by the sugar boom in Pampanga province. On June 27, 1892, Dr. Jose Rizal stopped over in San Fernando to recruit members to the La Liga Filipina. This was mentioned in Rizal's book, Reminiscences and Travels, and was also written in full detail in the book of Rafaelita Hilario Soriano entitled Shop of Light. Late afternoon of December 31, 1941, as some accounts mention, the Japanese army bombed an ammunition train said to be parked in front of the station, ready to be transported by the United States Armed Forces in the Far East to Bataan, or called USAF. The Japanese Zero flew at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon and dropped 3 bombs which caused fire to some portion of the station. The San Fernando train station served as a witness of the sacrifices and heroic deeds of the Filipino people. It is a structure that, despite being weathered by time, continuously corrects us with our valuable past and constantly reminds us of the city's contribution in the rich historical milieu of the Filipino nation. And that's all the history of San Fernando train station. Thank you. Bye-bye.